Do you know what is symmetry and asymmetry?
Symmetrical. I know.
Okay, tell me.
Symmetrical means when we when we cut a eraser into half, the both will look same. That is called symmetrical. If now if we cut this tube, if we cut, it will not be in the same size, so it is asymmetrical.
Understood, Tushita?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood.
Okay, now one more very easy example. Look at both my hands. If I draw a line at the center, both sides are same, right? This is called symmetrical. But if I keep one of my hand like this, both are different. So this is asymmetrical. Now some examples. So first example is symmetrical. Just write down Symetrical. And asymmetrical is just add letter A in front of symmetrical and write it on the other side. Now some examples of symmetry and asymmetry. For example, I have my pencil in front of me, right? So I'm going to draw a pencil now. Two straight lines. One side is like a little bit curved, and the other side there is a cone kind of shape.
That's symmetrical.
Okay, but
That's
okay, on us a pencil can be symmetrical also and asymmetrical also. How? I will tell you. So on the asymmetrical side also, I'm going to pencil.
so easy.
Just two straight lines, one cone, and color in the front for the graphite. How can a pencil be both symmetrical and asymmetrical? Look at my paper. If I cut a line through the pencil from this direction, I'm going to make a dotted line just to show where we are going to cut it from. So this is a dotted line, and this makes our pencil symmetrical. Both top and bottom is same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, if I cut the pencil half from this side, then this
It's
is
asymmetrical.
asymmetrical. But if I
And the
sharpen,
teacher taught it.
yeah, and if I sharpen my pencil on the other side also, then it can become symmetrical if the size is same, right? Okay, some more examples. Let's say this bottle. How will I draw this bottle? I have one oval shape on top, then the cap, two more lines, and a curve at the bottom. Same thing, this bottle can be symmetrical also and asymmetrical also. So I'm drawing it on the other side also.
This pencil is better than before one.
Okay, because you practiced one time, right? Okay, listen to me one more time. In case of symmetrical, the line that we draw to show that the shape is symmetrical or not, the line that divides the shape into two parts, both parts are equal. This is called line of symmetry.
Mama already did that.
You did line of
Mama
symmetry?
finished.
Show it to me. This is line of symmetry. This is wrong.
Hmm?
One side.
Oh, I got it. Mama, unsymmetrical.
This is symmetrical. Heshita, the other side is asymmetrical. Okay. So Heshita, look at my paper one more time. One way to make it asymmetrical is to divide it like this, how you have done, right? Like this is asymmetrical. Another way is if I have to draw a line like this, but one side is bigger and one side is smaller. This is also asymmetrical. Size also should be same when we talk about symmetrical.
Mama, same.
Okay. So symmetrical side, I am keeping the size same on both the sides. Okay, what else can we draw to check if the object is symmetrical or not? You have to draw any two objects and show me line of symmetry, and then another side you have to show me how you can make it asymmetrical.
Ma'am, any two objects.
Yes, any two objects. Look at objects around you.
Ma'am, I think this is symmetrical.
How is it
No,
symmetrical?
this is asymmetrical.
Right? Because if I draw a line in front
This
of
is
us, one side will have some other drawing, other side will have some other drawing. So it is not symmetrical.
like this is a key.
Okay.
Now if we now if we cut like this straight, it
Yeah.
will like if we remove this. If
Okay.
we remove this, now if we make a straight line, it is symmetrical.
Right.
If we do a clipping line and a straight line, it's asymmetrical.
Right. Show me one more example.
Now this is a drawing.
Okay.
Now if we make a straight line, this is also same, this is also same.
It is
But
not
if
same.
we cut,
It is not same. Is it same?
now this tube is there. Now if we do, now if we do,
Okay.
now if we
Look
cut
at
from
your
the
tube.
middle,
Look at your tube. Look at your tube.
now if
Okay.
we cut from the
Wait,
middle.
wait, wait, wait. Look at your tube first. Now imagine a straight line to the line of symmetry. Will it be same on both sides?
No.
Because something is written on top of it, right? If nothing was written, then it would be symmetrical. Look at your
Then
chair.
no.
Look at your chair.
No.
If we make a line from the center of the chair, then it will become symmetrical, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
can't
let,
see
let
you.
us see some examples from internet. Let's just a second. Is it symmetrical? It is symmetrical, right? If I draw a line at the center, then both sides will be same.
Yeah.
Can you see this? This,
Ma'am, Mount Everest.
this is not Mount Everest. What is it? You tell me.
This is Qutub Minar.
This is Qutub
No,
Minar.
Qutub Minar. Mount Everest is symmetrical and unsymmetrical. I'm saying.
Okay, what is it? What is Mount Everest symmetrical or asymmetrical?
I don't know. Can you show the picture,
Yes.
ma'am?
First tell me about this one. Just look
Ma'am,
at just look at the monument.
it's unsymmetrical
Okay, how?
because there's a little door next to it.
Yeah, there is a door over here, right? That's why it is
So if
visible.
I make a straight line, it's
Yes. If there
unsymmetrical.
was no door, then this would have been symmetrical, but because there are doors, so this is asymmetrical.
It's Qutub Minar.
Yes. Okay, tell me about Mount Everest.
Unsymmetrical.
Okay, this is called asymmetrical.
Unsymmetrical.
This is called
Asymmetrical.
asymmetrical, okay, not unsymmetrical. See?
It is symmetrical.
Right. Butterflies are more always symmetrical. Okay, now let's look at a frog.
Ma'am, tadpole.
Look at the frog.
It is symmetrical.
Right.
Ma'am, tadpole.
Tadpole. Okay, let's see. Look at this from the top.
Then it's symmetrical from the top.
Right. From the side, it is asymmetrical, right?
Ma'am, about pupa.
Pupa, let's see.
It is I think it's unsymmetrical.
It is asymmetrical, but if we look at it from this side, if we go that side and look at it, then it will be symmetrical. Example, look at this. So many symmetrical things in nature, right?
Yeah, ma'am, there's so many.
Okay, let's look at a bird. Look at
Ma'am,
this
let's
bird.
see peacock.
Yeah, peacock also. Look at this bird.
That's unsymmetrical.
No, this was symmetrical.
Ma'am,
True.
ma'am, because this side is different, this side is different.
It's the same.
But ma'am, this is symmetrical.
You have to make the line of symmetry from here.
Then it's symmetrical.
You have to look from
I was
all.
doing like this. I was doing like this.
Yes, you have to look from all sides. Look at this is also symmetrical.
Hmm. It's
Okay,
a heart shape.
now we have to look at peacock. That is last. Okay, this is
Ma'am, this is symmetrical.
okay.
Symmetrical.
Okay, now let's move on. Today's exercise
Mama,
is a very fun exercise where we need
my
lot of,
activity.
yes, where we need a lot of paint color. First step
What
is to
is
fold
pink
the
color?
paper. I'm folding the paper into half.
This one I'm using for my project.
Okay, just from the center you have to fold it into half. Look at my screen. I was talking about this color wheel. Okay, Heshita, Tushita.
I remember
Okay,
about
so
coloring.
any color that is opposite of each other. Example, green and red. Example, orange and blue. Purple and yellow. Any color that is opposite to each other, that is called complementary color, and they always look good together.
Mom, can you make this Rakhi also for Raksha Bandhan?
You made it yourself. That is also very nice.
Yeah. I had beads also.
Nice. Okay, I'm putting some color only on one side of the paper. Okay,
Or I pour it
I've
direct
taken some red color from my brush. I'm taking some green color on my brush. Okay, and some more green color over here also. Random places I'm adding some colors. While the color is wet, I'm folding the paper into half and using my fingers to spread the colors randomly.
Mm.
Okay, so I'm just spreading the colors. Now, before it dries, I have to open and see how it looks. So, this is the shape that I got. This is like an experiment, right? You can get any kind of shape out of it.
Mom, this is just like a butterfly.
Yeah, this is like a butterfly. We will do one more exercise, same thing, but with different color and in different places we will put the color. Open it.
See.
It's very nice, Heshita, Tushita. Heshita, look at this. Okay, so random places I'll apply red color. I'm not thinking anything. Random places I'm applying red color. Okay, now I'm taking black color, applying at random places, not thinking much.
Rami came this is looking.
Nice, Heshita. Okay, this time I'm applying yellow color. This time I have a lot of color on my paper. I have three different colors, right? Hajita, look at this one. Now I'm closing the paper. Okay, this is lot of color, different places. Closing the paper and using my finger or using my nails, I'm going to spread it in different directions. Now, without waiting, I'm opening it. If you wait, the colors can stick together. See how beautiful this is?
It is just like there is one monster doing like this.
Yeah.
Standing. I don't know what is the result. I'm putting randomly.
Okay. Put randomly. It will come up, come nice.
Even I'm putting randomly somewhere I put
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. In random places.
Oh my god, man!
Is it good? Show me.
Oh,
This is very nice.
five colors is okay.
Yes, yes. No rules in art. You can use any number of colors. Okay, so your homework is to use this technique and try to draw something out of this technique. For example, one can be butterfly, one can be any other object. It could be peacock, it could be lotus, it could be sunflower, anything. Did you do one more?
Yeah, ma'am, I have done one more.
Show me.
This is best.
Very nice.
Green.
Look at this, Hashita.
Oh, ma'am, don't go, ma'am. I want to show you how did the nine colors come.
Show me. Okay,
Oh
this
my
one.
god, ma'am, it's like a peacock. Ma'am, I opened it so beautiful.
Show me. Wow, it's so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, this is looking so beautiful.
All right, then I'll meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do some other thing.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.